So I'm making ice cream sandwiches. It's a lemon sugar cookie with vanilla ice cream and lemon curd. And then we're gonna roll it in sprinkles to make it even prettier. And I didn't wanna do any old plain ice cream sandwich because I think that the menu is gonna reflect Auntie C's personality. Bright, fun, lovable, and it'd be an ice cream sandwich. Isn't that cool? So instead of just trying to make a perfect circle for the ice cream sandwich, it is much easier to take a sheet pan like this and add vanilla ice cream. You smooth it on out, you freeze it. Once it comes out of the freezer, I wanna use a cookie cutter to make little circles so I can have perfect circles for the ice cream sandwich. Pop this in the freezer and keep it in there until it's frozen and extra firm because we need to work with it. Grab my stuff for my cookies, got some flour, baking soda, baking powder. I'm making a simple sugar cookie recipe, but I wanna add that lemon flavor. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, adding a ½ teaspoon of cornstarch to this. The cornstarch helps the cookie get super soft. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, that's that leavener, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk that on up. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side. Now for the wet. I'm using 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1½ cups granulated sugar. Cream this together until it gets light, airy, and fluffy. I'm gonna add 1 egg. All right, that's good. 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. It's definitely gonna be lemony, so I'm gonna give you that little pop. All right. Also gonna use the juice of this lemon, which is like about a tablespoon. And I'm gonna also use a teaspoon of lemon extract. Sometimes the lemon flavor can bake off. Lemon extract will ensure you're gonna taste lemon flavor in these cookies. So that looks good. A little bit of my dry mixture at a time. All right, that's good. I'm gonna add the rest. Looks perfect. Let me grab my baking sheets. I've lined them with parchment paper, and I'm using a cookie scooper to make sure that I get even cookies. So I've got some coarse sugar here. I'm gonna roll each ball into the sugar. It's a sugar cookie. Look how pretty that's gonna be when it comes out. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna use this glass to flatten it out. I'm gonna make sure your cookie doesn't dome. Dome basically means pop up. I'm gonna bake these at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. One on the top, one on the bottom. All right. So my ice cream is nice and firm now. I'm gonna use a cookie cutter to cut out perfect circles. This is why it's important to make sure your ice cream is nice and frozen so you'll be able to do this and get it out. Let me grab my cookies. I'm taking one of my sugar cookies, put it on like that, get the lemon curd, and just sandwich that. Look at that. Don't skimp on the curd. I picked yellow sprinkles because, I mean, it is a lemon ice cream sandwich.